I think I just got a thumbs up from that guy. Touch these two together. This has been stripped out. Yes! I'm actually smiling from ear to ear. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we are here with the Ring Caddy. And, well, it is one of the most hilarious cars I have ever driven. It is freaking awesome. It is actually, well, basically the daily driver of our viewer, who also brought his tuned BMW X5M a couple of months ago. And, well, he drives this car more than he drives the X5 because he just absolutely loves it. It's super cheap and it's just funny. So today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the stuff that's on this car, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for, yes, an Autobahn blast. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload a new video. And you can check us out on Instagram at AutoTopNL if you like. So, what is this and why does it exist? Well, it started because the owner wanted to have something cool, do something fun to drive on the Nürburgring, because he said, well, you see all those BMWs, all those Golf GTIs and stuff, and I just wanted something different, something funny, something cool. So this is a 2001 VW Caddy, and it is not stock, as you might understand. So we'll start at the front, because this is the intercooler from an Audi A6 C7 with the 3-liter bi-turbo diesel engine, which is awesome. We've got some nice wheels as well with semi-slick tires, really tiny wheels. These are Yokohama Nedva tires, Advan Nedva ADO8R. That's quite a mouthful, but they are 15-inch. Very cool. We've got some Ring Caddy stickers, so if you like, go check out the owner on Instagram. Some cool stickers with VW Fahrer trading on there. This has been stripped out. Obviously, when he takes it to the ring, he actually has to put like 100 kilos of stuff in here, because otherwise the rear is just way too light, which is funny in itself. He has a coilover set at the front, which is much stiffer, of course, and, well, I don't know what has happened to the back. It has leaf springs at the back, and they are flatter, so they are also a lot harder, and of course it's lower. So let's check out the engine. Because here we've got a 1.9 liter turbo diesel engine from a Seat Ibiza FR, and it has a bigger turbo on it. It's the turbo from an Audi A6 2.7 V6, the C6 generation Audi, so the previous one. And what else? It has an open exhaust, so there's a lot of black smoke coming out of the rear of this car, and of course a software remap as well. Very, very cool. So let's take it for a drive, guys. This is absolutely hilarious. In here we've got classic 2000s Caddy stuff. So nice seats. Well, these are actually pretty nice. We've got some dials over there, and, well, to start it up we actually have to turn on the ignition and then touch these two together. There we go. The beast comes to life. So this car has, I forgot to mention, around 230 horsepower and 520 Newtonmeters of torque, which is, you know, that's sufficient in a Caddy. Especially that torque is really crazy. Oh, that torque. It is seriously powerful, this car. That's just wheel spin in second gear. with those semi-slick tires. And it really pulls. It's like, it feels, you know, quite powerful for a Caddy. And you have that sound coming from the rear. Of course it has an open exhaust, so you hear that, but you also hear the fact that that loading bay is completely stripped out. So there's also a lot of resonance going on behind me. I think I just got a thumbs up from that guy. And that's the thing, and that's what I think the owner really understood well, is that of course there are going to be people who think you are a loser because you have all those stickers on it and a lowered Caddy, and I mean, most people will think, well, what the hell is this idiot doing? But you also have the people that understand what you've done and they appreciate what you've done. And that is very funny, because that means that if you get a thumbs up, oh, that's a lot of wheel spin. If you get a thumbs up, you know that guy gets what I'm doing, which is just very funny. Okay, we'll open the window to check out the sound. It's not bad. It's a pretty cool sound. You don't hear a diesel straight pipe that often, so but it's quite a funny sound. So the owner actually drag races it, and he does manage to do like a 6.6, 6.7, 0 to 100 km/h run, and that is pretty impressive. I'm not going to do that today because it's just too damp, and as I showed you, we've got those semi-slick, so there's no grip at all. But how funny is that? He takes it to the ring, he takes it to track races. It's just so hilarious. Okay, we're at the Autobahn. I'll get the speedo cam going for you guys, and we'll see. I hope it's not too busy. Oh man, that torque. It's seriously powerful. It's so funny. It just feels like, I don't know, like it's wrong, but it's wrong in a good way. Okay, here we go, full throttle. So the suspension is quite hard and quite soft at the same time, which is weird. We also have a 6-speed manual from an Ibiza. They have replaced the stock 5-speed for this 6-speed, which is much nicer, of course. And you can already see the dial, the speedo is gone. It only goes to 200 km/h, and we were already there, which is, well, not bad actually. Oh, this is... Oh, it's a bit bitchy. Oh, this is so... Oh, those brakes are not the best. Oh, man. This is really awesome. I haven't seen the black smoke yet. Here we go. Ah, that's 200 again on the speedo. but it actually, it pulls nicely. It's, you know, I'm not going to say it's super fast or anything, but it does feel like, you know, it's got some power. Yeah, let's go. We've got some space, 5th gear. We're drag racing an Audi Q7. Yes! Please stay on the right. My brakes are, yep, thank you. Little bump. Yeah, no problem. So... What the hell? I think this is around the top speed. That should... Oh, no, no, no. Thank you. That should have been around the top speed, like 220, something like that. On the speedo, 225 maybe. This thing is all over the place. The rear end is bouncing like it's a trampoline. Yes, I think this is the top speed. Oh, it's getting hot in here. What a cool thing. Oh, this is so funny. I don't know why exactly it is so funny, but just this torque, it does move. Oh, lovely. Oh, those brakes, yeah, okay. Here we go. Oh, that's not bad. That's actually not bad. It stays completely flat. Why? Oh. These brakes are really gone. There we go again. Yep. Yes. Come and get me, boys. So he wanted something cool, something funny, something you don't see every day at the ring and at drag races. I mean, he has definitely succeeded, because this is so much fun. It must be hilarious to drive this car on the Nürburgring. Talking about getting like a limited slip diff and maybe upgrade the turbo to go to like 280 or 300 horsepower. But man, don't put any more money in this, because a limited slip diff is very expensive. It's perfect the way it is. It's so funny, it's so cool. And actually the amount of diesel in the tank has increased since I started driving it, so that's pretty much all you want, right? Here we go again, 4th gear. from ear to ear in a Caddy. I mean, oh my god. Oh, it's like these brakes are made of gum. Oh, that is freaking hilarious. Thank you so much for bringing us your rig Caddy. This is a legend already. I absolutely love it. I'm never going to forget this car. So thanks for bringing it to us, and to you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right there. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. See you at the next one. Bye.